Welcome back. On this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets real quickly before diving into some of the charts for Ethereum, ETH, USD, see what has gone on since my yesterday's post, and if anything changed. I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenario for today as of December 5th, Saturday, and as well as the short-term price prediction according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit. And I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now let's do a very quick recap of the overall market factors that I look at, which include Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin dominance slightly down from yesterday. What I'm looking for in Bitcoin dominance is for it to trend down along that falling Brownian wedge I've been talking about. That's most apparent on the weekly time frame. This could present better trading opportunities for the altcoins. We're going to see if that comes true or not. If you guys would like to see what I said about Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action today, you guys can actually check into my post today where I talked about Bitcoin price action. I will have given more details on that post about Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin price action is still holding up within that rising wedge pattern. The bulls are pretty strong in holding that price up. I did not see that breakdown of the price action from that rising wedge as I have expected, as now the rising wedge has basically widened as the price action is continue to be supported by the daily 21 simple moving average. Now let's see what exactly is going on with Ethereum since yesterday and if anything has changed. Basically, nothing has really changed. I think Ethereum is basically having the same scenario as Bitcoin price action, if not very similar. I did see possible breakdown of the ascending triangle pattern from this bearish candle right here. However, it is now immediately supported at around the $560 level. However, do take a look into this green candle right here. It's not very strong volume, so it could either continue in this widened ascending triangle pattern, or it could possibly still break down from this ascending triangle pattern. In my opinion, I will very much keep my attention to Bitcoin price action because that could give me some clues about what could potentially happen in the altcoin market, including with Ethereum. Now, it is still running within this widened ascending triangle pattern. The measured target is still about 765, which would take us to the next Fibonacci retracement level, 765, 770 in that range. Okay, that's the 0.5 fib level. Okay, that is also a major resistance for if the price action does break out of this ascending triangle pattern. 63% chance of it breaking upwards. However, I would caution that it will still depend on Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance to a good extent. Okay, now let's take a look into the 3-day time frame, because I have been mentioning that there is still possible bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame. As you guys can see on the RSI, we keep getting higher highs here on the price action chart, but on the RSI chart we're getting lower highs. This tells me that the bulls are losing momentum. However, if they are able to continue to hold this price up within this ascending triangle pattern, I do expect that a break of the pattern is more likely. Now, I will continue to mention this bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame and that until it is negated or the price action actually breaks down. Now, let's check into the bullish and bearish case scenario for today. Nothing has really changed because we're still running within this pattern. The bullish case scenario would be obviously for price action to break above this top trend line here. I believe the resistance is about roughly 620, 625 possibly. If I can get a wick and connect most of the wicks up here, about 625, and then the measured target would be adjusted accordingly, about 670 in that range. Measured targets may or may not be reached, and there is a major resistance at about that level, which is the Fibonacci retracement level I've been talking about, the 0.5 fib level at about 760. Now, the bearish case scenario will be for the price action to actually break down from this ascending triangle pattern. 37% chance of it breaking downwards. It would still depend, in my opinion, on Bitcoin price action and Bitcoin dominance. See what those two are doing. If it actually does break down, I do have a measured target. If it actually does break down by tomorrow, because today's almost over, within a little under 2 hours, I do have a measured target of about $425. About $425, quite a bit of moving averages right underneath the expected breakout point and the measured target, including the daily 21 simple moving average, as well as the daily 50 simple moving average, along with other hourly moving averages as well that could act as support. So either if this breakdown, if it does break down, not sure if it's going to be a fast one or a slow one, since there's quite a bit of support between the breakout point, expected breakout points, and the measured target. Let's also take a look into the 3-day time frame. The 3-day time frame measured target, if it actually does break down from this possible bearish divergence, the 3-day 21 simple moving average would be what I'm eyeing if it actually does break down from this ascending triangle pattern at about $450, $455. That would be in between the expected breakout point and the measured targets. So this concludes my very short analysis of Ethereum for today. Hope you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.